I'm fine, thank you for asking. And I'm very excited because today is a very, very special day. I am going to represent my beautiful team, Paw Patrol, which is the best ever. And I'm going to cook a vegan recipe. And oh my god, you won't believe it. These are tacos, vegan tacos. And if you're a taco lover like me, you must keep on watching this video. Okay, so as you can see, I put on my special clothes because this is a special occasion. And I'm going to tell you the ingredients, and these are the following. First, an onion. Then you will need an oil. It could be from your preference. In this case, I'm going to use coconut oil. Pineapple. You will need some pieces, so you can buy it in a can or the pineapple. Then 1 orange and 2 lemons. Soy. The amount will depend on how much you're gonna cook. Pepper, cinnamon powder, cilantro, guajillo chili, and ancho chili. Oh, and of course, tortillas. Okay, the first step obviously is washing your hands. I already washed them, so we're going to start. I already put some soy in a bowl, and we are going to add hot water and let it for 20 or 25 minutes. Please be careful, we don't wanna get hurt or yes. We're going to survive this. Okay, and while the soy is getting warm, we are going to take advantage of time and we're going to take out the chili seeds because that's what makes it spicy. And did you know that chili, any kind of chili, thanks to its vitamin C, it prevents and helps healing. What an amazing thing, right? Okay, now that I take off most of the seeds, we're going to put them, the chilies, in another bowl or pan, anything that you have. And we are going to add some water and let it boil for 5 minutes. The soy is ready and we are going to take the water off and wash it. So follow me, please. We have to be very, very careful. Okay, now we have our soy ready and we can keep it for later. And the most interesting part is coming now. The sauce. And we are going to put the chilies on the blender. Be careful, please. And the orange juice. And a little pieces from the onion. So we are back with the soy and we have to add a little bit of lemon juice. We have to make that everything has that lemon juice. case I used two lemons and a little, well, half of a spoon of salt. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. And oh my god. And mix it. Please forgive me if I make some mistakes. I'm not good at cooking, but I try, and that's the important thing. Okay, now we let the soy pour apart, and we get back with the sauce. And the first thing that you are gonna need is oil, as I said before. And we have to turn on the stove. And in this case, I'm going to use 1 spoon. But if you use another oil, you can calculate how much you will need. And we let it. It's very important that the fire is low, because that will help us to make the perfect sauce. And we add the sauce. Oh my god. Be careful, please. This is oil. Oh, I'm afraid, but let's do this. Okay. Look at the sauce. Come closer, please. Come here. Come here. Exactly. Look at the sauce. It is very important, its appearance, because we need it very, very thick so that we can have the perfect sauce. Look at this. This looks delicious. Okay. And let's mix it. Alright. Now that we have our sauce ready, we are going to add it in the soy. We have to make that this sauce is enough to this amount of soy, so we have to mix it very, very well, like this. Now we're going to repeat steps, and we need oil again, a little spoon. You can use the same pan because we are going to fry the soy. And turn on. Again, as I said before, the fire has to be low, as you can see. And can't imagine how delicious it smells. Oh my god. And my sister is recording and she tells me like, please hurry up because it looks delicious. And oh my god. This is my first time eating vegan food, so that would be interesting how it results. So now we're going to add the soy. Look at that! If you don't see it as I see it, which is very delicious, very good, very tasty, I don't know who are you. So, oh my god! After this, we have our soy ready to eat, but it is very hot, so we have to wait a little more. And we have the pineapple pieces here. So you can eat it like this, but I recommend you to roast it so that we can have like a very special flavor and a very different. So we're going to turn in again. Oh my god, that wasn't the right. Yeah, this one. And we put some pieces. Okay guys, as you can see, oh my god, look at those tacos. They look delicious and I'm going to try it right now. So I will add some lemon and
But we have a recurring segment on our show called Explain That Graham, where we do
oh my god, they are very good, very good. Guys, we are finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to tell you that our planet is dying and if we don't do something good for it, we are gonna die too. So I want you to think that this recipe goes beyond a delicious food. This is an alternative so we can stop eating meat and products from animals. So if you have the chance to help, if you have the chance to stop consuming bad things for our planet, that's the right way. So please take care of our planet, take care of our animals, and take care of life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the recipe, if you don't like it, and if you like to try it, comment down below, and bye.